women have superpowers. Okay, we all talk about it, and there are a lot of content about this. But what is actually the superpowers that we have? Okay, so सबको पता है कि we have amazing intuition, which means that we can manifest and we can attract anything that we want. विच ऑल्सो मीन्स कि अगर हमको कुछ अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है ज़िंदगी में और हम उसी को लेके नैग करे जा रहे हैं तो वो चीज़ मल्टीप्लाई होती जाएगी एंड यू विल अट्रैक्ट द सेम सिनेरियो, सेम सिचुएशंस अगेन एंड अगेन इन योर लाइफ. So in order to manifest miracles, you have to have the positive attitude, as in not that no matter what happens in life you always stay positive. I'm not saying that. It is like maximum times as much as you can be positive and especially optimistic about the things that mean to you, that mean a lot to you, that are important to you. For example, if I want to attract money, in no circumstances or in no situation I would talk about the lack or I would talk about the poverty. So you have to recondition yourself, you have to have a mindset, and गाइडेड मेडिटेशंस हो गया या फिर आपका ग्रैटिट्यूड जर्नल हो गया. दीज आर पावरफुल टूल्स टू अट्रैक्ट एंड वी आर ऑल शिफ्टिंग टू न्यू अर्थ, all as in people who have high vibration, people who have attained which you would say a frequency to go to new earth, which is not a proper 3D frequency. It is more of 4D to 5D frequency. 4D is a place where you would be hanging around for a while till you are transported to 5D. It is all frequency and energy based. This is definitely not going to be visible to your eyes. Okay, so don't expect that. It is as visible as oxygen, as visible as air, as visible as God, as visible as the magic. Okay, so you have to believe in things which you are not able to see, and that is when you will realize that miracles happen. तो अभी का टाइम बहुत अच्छा है, मैनिफेस्ट करो अपने डिज़ायर्स को. और अभी 8 पोर्टल आएगा जो अगस्त में है. इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट वेल्थ वेल्थ वेल्थ, एंड आई ऑलवेज टॉक अबाउट इट दैट women need to be independent, women need to have their own life, women need to take their own decisions. तो इस टाइम को यूटिलाइज करो और अपना मैजिकल वेल्थ मैनिफेस्टेशन डेफिनेटली करो. कैसे भी करो, कुछ भी शुरू करो, बट डू फोकस ऑन इंक्रीजिंग योर वेल्थ. ओके, so bye bye.